Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Wan Mushira binti Wan Ismail, ID CIBSSR 00508. My topic is on theory of planned behavior approach to analyze intention of cash wakaf contribution among Muslim in Malaysia, application of extended and moderator variable. Introduction. The collection of cash wakaf fund in Malaysia is very low because the total amount collected did not reflect to the total amount of Muslims population in Malaysia. It is because of the average cash wakaf per employed Muslim for 2019 was only 28 cents per employed Muslim. Fuada Johari, the Deputy Director of Islamic Finance Wealth Management, highlighted that 28 cents per employed Muslim is just a small fraction of cash wakaf contribution. Though cash wakaf has been gazetted 13 years ago in the 77 Majlis Fatwa Kebangsaan Muzakara, the collection is still low due to the lack of awareness among the Muslim in Malaysia. This could be an obstacle to the development of the country because cash wakaf plays a big role in the country's economy and society and plays a vital role in the advancement of socio-economic well-being of the Muslim community. Problem statement. In Malaysia, the low cash wakaf collection level indicates that the awareness about cash wakaf is not at a good level. This is parallel to the Nasiri et al. 2019 or the Fatwa 2017 state that findings there was still lack of awareness of cash wakaf among Muslims. Besides that, Jalil et al. 2017 agreed that cash wakaf collectors should be focused on the types of payment method that could obtain high priority rates to meet donors' expectation. Therefore, improving cash wakaf collection method could be one of the ways to increase the collection of cash wakaf. To achieve this objective, it is crucial to firstly investigate the behavior of cash wakaf contribution and research. And researchers normally use TPB, which is theory of planned behavior. In this study, TPB is deemed to be the best theory to identify behaviors that influence the collection of cash wakaf, as it is a popular theory in the field of social psychology which investigate the behavior of certain action. However, Zamri and Muhammad 2018, Maisy 2017, and Anwar et al. 2015 suggest future research to extend the TPB model by adding explanatory variables on identifying factors influencing the behavioral intention of Muslim employees to contribute cash wakaf to explore the behavioral intention of cash wakaf contributors. At the same time, technology is expected to be one of the best potential factors to use in extending TPP because the advancement of technology may encourage Muslims to contribute cash wakaf. This is in line with Hasanah Pranata 2019, Fauzi Yahya Harun et al. 2019 and Adeyemi et al. 2016 contention that applying technology advancement in cash wakaf makes the wakaf collection more efficient and effective. Sargent and Woodlife 2005 concurs that payment methods are the attraction for the donors to retain their contribution. However, there is still limited study covering that the payment methods of cash wakaf in Malaysia. With the suggestion by Hasanah Pranata, Fauzi et al. And Adeyemi, proposed that applying technology advancement in cash wakaf makes the wakaf collection more efficient and effective. Therefore, thorough research should be performed to analyze the effect of technology towards the intention of individuals to contribute cash wakaf. Furthermore, Kurata et al. 2021 emphasized that effectiveness in management is important as it will create society's perception on cash wakaf. In their study, they highlight the society perception of cash wakaf is one of the traits as they use SWOT analysis in analyzing the effectiveness of wakaf management. Thus, perception on performance used as a moderator in the theory to identify its significance to the research. Okay, for literature review, an intention is the foundation of every action. Intention is in the language is a type of purpose and desire. Intention in the view of scholars can be explained in two meanings, which is first to distinguish different types of worship, one from the other. Fishburne and Essen 1975 define intention as a relationship between probability dimension and his or her action. A behavioral intention is referring to an individual's subjective probability. Either he will perform some behavior or not perform. Yusuf et al. 2017 explained that intention captured the motivational factors that influence individuals' behavior. Essen 1991 said that intention is an indication of how people trying hard to do something and put an effort of it in order to perform their behavior. It can be said that the higher the level of intention of someone to perform behavior, the higher the potential of individual to perform that behavior. Anwar et al. 2015 mentioned that Islam enhanced the importance of intention as intention leads someone to do something and influence decision making of the action. It can be the most important for the decision making for voluntary in nature with it is some sincerely from someone's heart. Intention is play as an important role to determine the actions. Anwar et al. 2015 demonstrated that TRA, or theory of reason-action, and theory of planned behavior is extremely useful since it is commonly used by contemporary researchers to examine the intention of individuals towards an action equally, acknowledge the important role of intention. This research used attitude, subjective norm, and perceived behavior control as an independent variable that influence the intention to contribute tashwakaf. Okay, for conceptual framework, this study is similar to the previous studies such as Azizi et al. 2019, Salim Al-Harisi 2019, Zabri and Muhammad 2018, Kashif et al. 2015, Osman 2015, and also Osman et al. 2014 that have employed TPB and extended TPB. Okay, extended theory of planned behavior to examine the intention of Muslim toward cash wakaf contribution. As such, the framework of this study was based on ETPB to investigate an intention of Muslim toward cash wakaf contribution. Therefore, this study aims to apply the ETPB as a base model which consists of attitude, subjective norm, and perceived behavior control as three components in TPB, and adopt technology usage as a standard variable from TPB. The purpose of this study is to fill the gap from the literature that limited study of behavior intention towards cash wakaf with technology usage as a standard variable. Besides that, perception on performance cash wakaf used as a moderator in order to identify its significance to the theory. Okay, and it is shows as in the figure 2. Okay, this is figure 2, which is conceptual framework. We can see here is attitude, subjective norm, and perceived behavior control. Their independent variable, which is from TPB theory. Okay, and then technology usage is a standard variable, and the moderating variable is perception on performance of cash wakaf. Okay, and the DB is intention of cash wakaf contribution. Okay, in this research, okay, for the research methodology, this study use quantitative study, okay, because the study using questionnaire to get the data, and for the survey questionnaire, the researcher have done to 284 or 284 respondents, and the data was analyzed using PLSM. Okay, this is the finding or the result. First, we based on the assessment of measurement model before we are going to the structural model. Okay, so first measurement model, we are evaluating the composite reliability. So we can see in the first table, which is the value of composite reliability. Okay, so we can see that in from these 5 construct, okay, all the construct have achieved the threshold value, which is more than 0.7. Okay, so we can see here the lowest is 0.882. So that means that all this construct achieve the threshold value of 0.7. Hence, internal consistent reliability is fulfilled. Okay, and then for AVE or average extract variance, okay, we can see here that all the constructs are more than 0.5, and the value for this study is in the range of 0.651 to 0.887. Alright, so that means that all the ABE value is achieved the threshold value. And for the HTMT, okay, for HTMT, it must not achieve 0.85, or in other words, we can say that it should lower than 0.85. Okay, so we can see here from heteroid monotrade HTMT. Okay, in assessing discriminability, we can see that all the value is less than 0.85. Okay, so that means that discriminant validity has been established and meets the threshold of below than 0.85. Okay, so when all the result, okay, assess is achieve the threshold, so we can proceed to the structural model. Okay, then we go to the structural model. Okay, we can see here VIF. Okay, so for the collinearity between construct, okay, we can see the value is for TPB is 1.805 and 2.298 for technology usage. So VIF need to less than threshold value of 5. Okay, so we can see here both are less than 0, both are less than 5, so that means there is no issue in structural model. Okay, and then we go to R squared. Okay, so for R squared, a larger R squared value increase the predictive reliability of the structural model. Okay, so the value is 0.334, sorry. Okay, so that means there is no issue for R squared value. And for assessment of predictive relevance Q or Q squared, we see here the value is 0.298. Okay, for Q squared, it is more than 0, so the structural model is considered to be predictive relevance. Okay, and the result for the TPB as well as technology usage. Okay, we can see here the p-value or the probability is 0.000 for TPB and 0.036 for technology usage. So that means both are significant to the study. Okay, last we look at the assessment of moderator variable. We can see here for the beta for the pass coefficient is to 0.269. Okay, sample mean is 0.019, standard deviation is 0.312, t statistic is 0.861, but the p-values or the probability is 0.195. Okay, so the perception of performance of Kashwakov, we look as a moderator in the study, but actually because of the p-value is more than 0.05, that means the moderator is not supported or not significant to the study. That means perception of performance of Kashwakov is not necessarily need for the framework or for the research study. Okay, for the conclusion, it can be concluded that attitude, subjective norm, and perceived behavior control are the factors that influence the contribution of Kashwakov. It is because individual himself will influenced by environment, religion, thought, family, financial condition, and others' perception to lead their intention to contribute Kashwakov. For the extended variable, the technology used, created, and used for collection Kashwakov is important because it will determine the accessibility, convenience, and user-friendly of the method used by the Muslim. In other words, acceptance of technology by individual could be developed if the method of technology used is good and excellent. To summarize, insignificance of the moderator, it might not be significant to this research because in order to have intention to contribute Kashwakov, it is regardless the performance of Kashwakov itself. It is influenced directly by other factors such as attitude, subjective norm, and perceived behavior control to influence Muslim to contribute Kashwakov. Okay, that's all. Thank you.